Hello and welcome to the Quality Excellence channel. I'm Mayank Agarwal and you're watching a free Lean Six Sigma learning series designed to help you grow your skills without spending a single rupee. In this video, we'll explore Chapter 2 Six Sigma History and Application. Let's dive in. Many people think Six Sigma started with Toyota or Motorola, but its roots go back much further, to the 19th century. Before diving into modern companies, it's important to understand the difference between traditional quality programs and continuous process improvement. Quality programs focus on a specific goal and may stop once the goal is achieved. Continuous process improvement, like Six Sigma, is a never-ending journey focused on always getting better. Now let's trace Six Sigma's evolution. Six Sigma relies heavily on statistical process control, or SPC. It began with the normal curve, developed by Carl Friedrich Gauss in the 1800s. This concept laid the foundation for understanding variation in processes. In the early 20th century, Walter Shewhart advanced these ideas. He introduced the idea that a process performing at 3 sigma or lower needs correction and control charts, which are used to monitor and maintain process improvements. W. Edwards Deming later spread these ideas to the US Census Bureau and taught the Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle, a core concept in Six Sigma. Plan, Do, Check, Act. It's a continuous loop of improving processes. After World War II, Deming brought these concepts to Japan, where they influenced Toyota and led to the development of the Toyota production system. Post-World War II, Japan needed to rebuild its economy. Toyota adopted Deming's ideas and combined them with Henry Ford's manufacturing methods. Key contributors included Kiichiro Toyoda, who introduced conveyor systems to improve efficiency, and Eiji Toyoda and Taiichi Ohno, who developed two major principles, just-in-time and jidoka. Jidoka means stopping a process immediately when a defect is detected to fix it right away. Toyota's system led to what we now call Lean, which focuses on removing waste and improving flow. Fast forward to the 1980s in the US, Motorola was facing quality issues. After a Japanese company acquired one of their plants and outperformed them, Motorola's leadership demanded a 10 times improvement in 5 years. Engineers Bill Smith and Dr. Mikkel Harry began measuring defects per million opportunities, rather than per thousand. This led to the modern Six Sigma system. Within 12 years, Motorola reported saving more than $16 billion through Six Sigma. Motorola didn't keep it secret. They published their work and trained others, helping Six Sigma spread worldwide. Dr. Mikkel Harry moved to Asia Brown Boveri, also known as ABB, and teamed up with Richard Schroeder. They founded the Six Sigma Academy. At ABB, they realized that business results had to come first, and Six Sigma must support financial goals. Later, at Allied Signal, CEO Larry Bossidy pushed for Six Sigma leadership training executives needed to understand the tools to support the projects effectively. Meanwhile, Jack Welch, CEO of General Electric, became one of the biggest champions of Six Sigma. He tied Six Sigma goals to employee bonuses, making sure everyone had a reason to participate. As a result, GE became one of the most successful Six Sigma companies in history. After GE's success, many companies rushed to adopt Six Sigma. Unfortunately, many failed because they skipped proper training and planning. This led to some myths. Myth: Six Sigma ignores common sense. Fact: it validates ideas with data and supports good decision-making. Myth: Six Sigma is too expensive. Fact: small businesses can start small and see big savings. Myth: Six Sigma fixes everything. Fact: it's great for process problems, not people or culture issues directly. Six Sigma is applied through structured projects. Organizations identify a problem, calculate Sigma levels and costs, evaluate improvement options, and prioritize the most impactful projects. This creates a cycle of continuous improvement where the most important issues are tackled first. Six Sigma offers certifications to show your skill level. White Belt, Basic Awareness. Yellow Belt, Introductory Tools and Concepts. Green Belt, Intermediate Skills, often assist on projects. Black Belt leads projects, advanced knowledge. Master Black Belt, trains and mentors others. Strategic role. Most certifications require exams. Higher levels may also require real project experience. And that concludes Chapter 2.6. Sigma History and Application. We explored where Six Sigma came from, how it evolved, and how it's applied in real businesses today. In the next video, we'll cover Chapter 3, Other Process Improvement and Quality Methods. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Quality Excellence channel. I'm Mayank Agarwal, and remember, continuous learning can change your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next chapter.